I think the district priorities for me stem from the fact that we now have failing New Jersey S test scores in all of our middle school years. 5, 6, 7th grade, we have failing in, well, let me rephrase it. In all of our elementary schools and all of our middle school grades, we have failed AYP under No Child Left Behind, so that's adequate yearly progress. 2 of our middle schools, Connors and Calabro, have failed for the 2nd year in a row. That has now put us in CINI, and that means we're schools in needs of improvement. I believe, and Wallace now is in its 1st year, and I believe that the focus needs to first of all go to Wallace and make sure that Wallace does not fall into 2nd year, because if Wallace falls into 2nd year, there's more sanctions against the district. The other top priority is making sure that Connors and Calabro don't go into 3rd year failure, and I think those are the top priorities right now, to look at what has happened in our middle school grades, to figure out why that has happened and why it's happened for 2 years for 2 of our elementary schools. Those, I think, need to be the top priority for this district and for this administration. The other thing I would focus on, secondly, after addressing those failing test grades and the elementary schools, is the high school. We need to start looking to improve and increase our enrollment, and I think a lot of that is by looking at the programs that are offered and getting some community input and feedback on what it would take to get more of this community enrolled in our high school. And I think once you start increasing the enrollment numbers, you start increasing the programs, and I think that we have a more of a vibrant high school, and I think that's what the community is looking for.